Numbers card. Mayan mask. Have you ever heard of Mayan culture? There is an important symbol in the Mayan culture. First, let's draw a big rectangle as its face. Then, let's draw 2 years with circles. And we draw 2 eyes shaped in semicircles. The semicircle is half of a circle. Then 2 eyeballs inside. Next, we use triangle as his nose, his mouth, and his eyebrows. Now, let's make some decoration on his face. 2 semicircles, 1 big and 1 small, with some rectangles on it. Finally, let's decorate his face with some rectangles. We finished! Now let's count. Can you tell me how many circles there are in the mask? Yes, there are 6 circles. Can you tell me how many semicircles there are in the mask? Right, there are 4 semicircles. Can you tell me how many rectangles there are in the mask? Correct, there are 9 rectangles. Can you tell me how many triangles there are in the mask? Great! There are 4 triangles. Yeah, we did a Mayan mask. Now, you can follow my steps and draw a big Mayan mask.